Well, everybody, how's it going? So, I get this interesting text from a buddy of mine. Our kids go to the same school. Mine's about to graduate. His will be graduating within the next year. He's also a scout, and he's been in it for an extremely long time. Well, he texts me, my son is getting rid of his tent. It's got some holes in it. Do you want it? I'm like, to hell with it. Might as well see what it's all about. I get to his house. The only thing that was up was just the interior, the main part. And I look at it, and it's in Eureka. And I'm thinking to myself, damn, that's got to be a fairly expensive tent because I haven't seen one like that before. I've seen this style because it's got the vestibule, and up top here, it's got the vent, and you can drop it down or whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'll come to find out, in this two-person tent, he's trying to put a cot in it. Like, you can't put a damn cot in this tent. It's not built for it. So, yeah. So, here we go. It's got the Velcro flips on it. Open it up. Just like so. And there you go. And the next thing I noticed when I was at his house was that there was sand and everything in here. I'm like, what the hell? It's like, geez, oh criminy. This is my first time sitting in it. First time setting it up. Well, completely. Because the other thing I noticed when I was setting it up is that there was condensation all on the inside of the rain fly. I'm like, son of a bitch, kid, dude. Anyway, but let's see. Oh, hell yeah. I've got plenty of room in this compared to my other one. And headspace. I'm sitting straight up. It's got this net up here. Throw your stuff in. It's got a pocket here. Pocket here. And here are my patches. I guess we'll find out. And it's got like all these other little tags too. I guess you can hang stuff from there. Oh, look at that, a little ladybug. But anyway. So, yeah, I've got a little bit more cleaning to do in here. I think this might work. Oh, I just noticed. There's another pocket right here too. And more tags. And this is to hold this double zipper. Fuck. Oh. Try it out one of these days. After I let it dry. Shit. Okay. So this tent was given to me by a friend of mine whose son decided to try and put a cot in here. And as you can tell, there's a hole right here. And there's a little rip here. Well, what I am going to do is attempt and repair it and use it for myself. So to repair all these rips, this is what I used. Screen Med. Yeah, I know I've got lines here still, unfortunately. But for being a free tent, it's what I have to work with. And instead of using a hairdryer that I can't find in here, I used a heat lamp bulb. Well, and then I did some research online and come to find out this tent, the Eureka Suma 2, is going for $160 right now. How the $160 tent, damn near trashed. All right, well, I'll catch you later. Peace.